Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another episode of my tested series. Today, my friends, we are upgrading the cookware in the house. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so of course, let's start with what's in the box. We can slide this out of the way. So it is a large wok. Good piece of foam to protect it on the way to your place. Lid's got a little wrap to protect it as well, which is pretty cool. I'm going to just set that off to the side since my space is limited. Handle, which we'll attach in a second. Handle for the lid. And then the protective packaging that helps it get to you. Little tag that tells you that it was inspected. Alright, so before you attach the handle, make sure you find the grooves that line up with that, and then have your words up so that it actually shows the way you want. Unless you want the words down, both are acceptable. You get to pick. And then once inserted, you just tighten it until it's all the way locked in place. Good to go. And let's add the handle to the lid. Normal Phillips. And then with those in place, simply tighten it in. So first things first, it is a 12.5-inch carbon steel non-stick fry wok. You can see the handles are ergonomic, compatible with all different kinds of stoves. It is high strength composite. That handle is comfortable and it's easy to grip while cooking. It has multiple cooking methods that you can use. I'm actually going to use it for an omelet in a moment, even though that's kind of silly. And it's easy to clean. Also, they mentioned that the glass lid lets you see what you're cooking and helps keep oil from splattering while you're cooking. Alrighty, friends, so let's take it upstairs and make me some breakfast. Alright, friends, double check it for cleaning. And you know how it said non-stick. You saw how easy it came out of the pan, and that's how easy it is to clean as well. Alrighty, friends, that was a ton of fun. Not only do we have an awesome wok, great heft, worked well, but I got to have a great omelet at the same time. Friends, I will try and put a link in the description, and of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.